Excuse me, sir. Question for you.
Yeah,
Have you ever been broke before?
multiple times.
Yeah? Quick question for you.
Yeah.
What do you do for a living out here in New York City?
I work on Wall Street.
And how long have you been in finance for?
15, 16 years.
Yeah? I go all over the country just asking successful people how they made it for the younger generation. Can I get just 1 minute of your time real quick?
Yeah.
What was the worst financial decision that you made throughout your career?
Oh man, getting married, man. Getting married, man. My divorce wiped me out. Marriage is a business. I didn't look at it like that. I'm being honest. Wiped me out. Had to start over from scratch. But the beauty of it is, once you have it in you internally to build, you have the dog in you, the fight in you. Doesn't matter. You'll always rebuild. It's not about losing it. Anybody listening? It's not about losing it. What it's really about is this. It's about recovery time. See, if you lose it at 20, you're probably in your early 20s, mid 20s. It's okay. You have recovery time. You're young. I'm 45. I'll be 46 in 2 months. If you lose it in your 40s, your mid 30s, terrible. Also, they say you are the sum total of the 5 people you hang around with. A lot of times people try to use socializing for networking. You're really not networking. You just want to be social. Anytime you interact with someone, you must always ask yourself, what are we exchanging? Now, real quick before we go, last thing, the universe teaches us this. What do you do every day? We breathe, we inhale, and we exhale. You take in the oxygen, and you give out the carbon dioxide, right? And the trees, your environment, takes in the dioxide and gives you back oxygen. So there's a bartering between you and the universe, the ecosystem. Inhale, exhale. With everything in life, you got to apply that science to your life. Like, what is the exchange here? The people you interact with, what are they? What's the bartering? Are they an asset? Is it a liability? What are we exchanging here?